I really like shotgun mics when there's noise out there that you don't want to capture and you want to capture just the things in this direction. So, sweet little travel bag, comes with the cord that you need, comes with this fantastic little holder. You can screw this onto a little tripod. In fact, a lot of times I have this little itty bitty tripod and I just screw it onto there. And then here's the microphone. Small, compact, directional, like I said. And it comes with a tribble. No, this is one of the windshield cords that if you're outside and you have a lot of wind noise, this really helps because the mic won't pick up all the wind noise. I find that when I'm inside, most of the times it sounds a little better without it. Now, if you're working with iOS devices, it says that you can just use a lightning adapter to plug in the cord. I have found that not to be the case. You need a patch cord. It has a TRRS, tip ring sleeve, even though it has 3, okay? Has 3 rings, but there's 2 R's, and a TRS on the other end. So the TRRS slides into your lightning adapter, and the bent end, the TRS, slides into the microphone. Let's plug it in and see how it sounds. The system is all plugged in. The microphone's pointing to me. It can be up close, it can be farther ahead, but watch this. As I keep talking and point it in the other direction, the sound is different than when it's pointing to me. Again, that's really good if there's a little bit of noise out there that you really don't want to pick up. Often I'll just have it popped in to my little tripod and I'll set it down right below my other tripod so that I'm hands-free. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe the channel, share us if you find us useful, and check out the Academy for Virtual Teaching, where we help creatives, makers, artists build businesses teaching what they love to do online. See you later.